What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on XRP. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. Right now we are retesting this bullish order block, which is between levels 2.129 and 2.039. So the main setup that I'm currently waiting for will be a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, because simply a lot of people who are opening some long positions in these areas, they probably put their stop losses under these previous important lows. So once we will take the liquidity, and there will be a support confirmation in this area, because yeah, you don't want to wait here for just a liquidity grab, because after a liquidity grab there is too big selling pressure, which there is still high probability that this selling pressure will cause another dump. That's why you want to wait here for that support confirmation. Stop loss, in this case you want to place under a low that we will create during the fake out, and last take profit targets you can place above this bearish order block, which will give us at the moment risk reward ratio around 9.275, which is really great. Definitely in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you want to take under this bearish order block area, which is between levels 2.482 and 2.284. Then for example under these previous important highs, this next high, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio from like 9.75, the risk reward ratio is going to be around 6.5, something like that, which is still like a really great setup. So on the daily time frame, this is right now the main setup that I am watching. You can see in the long time perspective, this coin is doing really well. A lot of altcoins are dumping heavily at the moment, so I think in the long time perspective, this coin is still really good, and in the long time perspective, we will definitely go on a higher prices. So yeah, this can be a great setup to take. About that long time prediction, I still think that in this bull market we are definitely gonna break this current high, and we are probably gonna hit something between $4 to $5 mark, maybe 5 to 6, something like that. So in this bull market I'm expecting here a pump around 87 to like 180% of a net market. I think that the $6 mark is kind of the top that we can achieve in this bull market. But of course, I will be really happy if you will drop in the comments what is the exact price that you are thinking this coin can hit. On the 4-hour chart, you can see we don't have here any interesting bullish order blocks that we can use as a potential long entry. On the 12-hour chart, we are having here kinda same area as on a daily time frame. And if I'm gonna switch on a 1-hour chart, you can see this similar situation as well. So the main setup that I will be watching for opening a new positions will be simply on a daily time frame, because the setups on like a 1 or like a 4-hour chart are not good, because in the long term perspective we are here in this sideways channel, which is currently happening for around 190 days, which is yeah kinda a lot. So that's why I simply want to trade here an important liquidity grabs on such a high time frame like this. On a weekly time frame, as I said, this coin is looking really great. In the long term perspective, I'm expecting we are probably gonna go up. And if you are, for example, thinking if this coin is like a good opportunity to buy into your long term portfolio, then let's say the simple answer is probably yes, because in this bull market you are probably gonna make money on it. However, I am currently watching better opportunities that you can take. For example, Ethereum. I think that if we will take a look on the current price that is having Ethereum and on the current price that XRP is having, I simply think that on a Ethereum, on a spot, of course, we can have a better return, because it's simply really undervalued, and XRP is almost hitting its current all-time high. So yeah guys, these are my main thoughts about this coin at the moment. Definitely let me know in the comments what is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. I would love to like show you some interesting trading setups on like a lower time frame. For example, interesting trading setup on a 4-hour chart will be valid if there will be a breakout with a support confirmation of this bearish order block area. but still, this will give you a potential stop loss around like 5.3% of a net market, and you need to take all of your profits like above this previous important high, which will give you a risk reward ratio around 2.42, which is simply, in my opinion, not that great. So maybe a better opportunity if you want to open a long position right now will be open a long position on a daily time frame, set stop loss under this bullish order block, because of course there is no guarantee that eventually we are gonna take liquidity here. This coin can go up from the current level, and if we will, and there will be that liquidity grab with a support confirmation, you can so simply open here a new long position. So yeah guys, this will be really all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you want to join my Discord trading group, link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.